You fall in love with yourself first and let people fall in love with you by just you loving yourself. Hi there, it's been a while, it's Ace, and for today's video, wala akong script but a lot of you are requesting to finally have a long form of content So for today's video, let's talk about how to move on and finally start choosing yourself. If you are someone na people pleaser, yes, mabuhay lahat ng mga people pleaser dyan because as someone din na people pleaser before, para sa inyo lahat ang video na to. And if you want also to glow up, this video is for you. And yeah, alam kong hindi magiging organized itong video na to. But first, let's talk about bakit ang hirap mag-move on. Like, bakit ang hirap i-let go ng tao na yan, ng situation na yan, Pag move on, is hindi lang about sa a romantic relationship. It could also be about your friendship heartbreak, how to get out of the situation, especially financial or basta a lot of trauma. In short, how to move on sa lahat ng mga problema mo. Ganon. First is, I want you to remind yourself that it is not your fault. Yes, that it's not your fault. It's not your fault. It's not your fault. I wish that meron nagsabi sa akin nito before. But as someone na breadwinner, super harsh ko sa sarili ko na parang feel ko ang malas-malas ko na since ako yung naging breadwinner, bakit ako pinanganak na ganito na dapat ako yung umako sa lahat ng responsibility na iniwan ng mga parents ko, ancestral trauma, ganyan-ganyan. You need to remind yourself na there are things talaga na we cannot control na minsan binibigay talaga ni God yung ganyang situation para matuto tayo to build our character kasi at the end of the day, hindi mo mapansin lahat naman naging successful na tao, yung mga pang MMK, mga pang magpakailaman yung kwento nila, diba? Parang they have the strongest story. Parang meron silang story na something na parang pinagdaanan to mold their characteristic to build that identity. And same as you, papa-relationship, kahit ano man yan. I'm just gonna generalize things, basta yung problema mo lang yung tinutukoy ko. I do believe in karmic relationship and karmic experiences, na meron talagang binibigay si God, the universe, whatever you believe in, na isang situation para matuto tayo sa problema na yan. Once na parang hindi tayo natuto sa experience na yan, is parang magkakaroon ng pattern. I always observe this sa mga taong na-meet ko na rin before na parang humihingi sila ng advice sa akin na bakit ganito, ba't paulit-ulit na lang nangyayari, bakit paulit-ulit na lang ni-cheat si ganito, bakit iniiwan ako. Because hindi mo natutunan yung lesson na na-experience mo sa last relationship mo. So this time, inuulit lang din yung cycle, yung pattern, hanggat hindi mo matutunan. This is related dun sa isang video na ginawa ko na marami kang options, Yes. Alam mo, may case, one of the reasons talaga na parang ang bilis ko maka-move on is hindi ko masyado tinitake personally lahat ng bagay-bagay. For example, bakit hindi na ako pinapansin ng friend na to? Bakit nagbago yung friend na to? I always remind myself na it is their decision to do that thing. Kung ano yung ginawa nila, pinag-desisyon na nila yon and nag-agree sila na gawin yon sa'yo. So, di ka pwedeng magpakagugol, di ka pwedeng i-take yun personally na parang kasalanan mo yung ginawa nila because sila yung may gawa nun. It's something that they did. The only thing you can control is how you react. Kung paano ka mag-react dun sa ginawa nila. So, it's up to you kung i-take personally mo na lang ba, magpapakagugol ka na lang ba, or parang sasabihin mo, this is out of my control, this is out of my moral compass. So, hindi ko yan ititake. It's not in my sense. So, hindi ko yan ititake. Another thing is I want you to realize that yung mga nangyari na is something na hindi mo na pwedeng baguhin because it happened already. It's in the past. Ask yourself, yung past ba nag-e-exist na? Diba hindi? The only moment and time that we have is yung present. And it's up to you how you spend your present. If sasayangin mo lang ba dahil sa mga trauma na yon, experiences na yun na meron ka before, or you are trying to heal or do something that could end that pattern, the cycle na sinasabi ko, na maging cycle breaker ka na. You know what I mean? So, regardless kung ano yung trauma, ano yung problema, ano yung ginawa ng tao na yan sa'yo, hindi mo na yung mababago kasi tapos na talaga. You just need to stay in the present moment. This time is the only time that matters. Here's the kicker, dito na tayo sa how to really move on talaga. In my case lang, based lang din to sa naging effective na ways, how I moved on with any situations. Really, I always look forward sa mga bagay na pwede pang mangyari. For example, I've never been into a serious relationship pa talaga. So parang naro-romanticize ko na, meron pang choice na baka ma-meet ko yung gantong tao who will treat me better, who will give me this shit. You know what I mean? Another example, I want to see my best friend sa wedding niya. Gusto kong ako yung maging rich tito na atake ko sa mga anak niya. Ako yung magiging rich tito nila, Gusto ko pang pumunta ng New York. Gusto ko pang pumunta ng Paris. Gusto ko pang mag-skydiving. Marami pa akong mga experiences na gustong i-experience. Gusto ko pa magka-billboard. Gusto ko pa makapag-publish ng book. Gusto ko pang maging famous, you always look for something na hindi pa nangyayari, na parang it's something na makes you excited. Kasi dahil sa mga trauma na yan na meron tayo, or sa mga bad experiences na yan din na meron tayo, parang we see it as something na yan na lang din yung talagang option na experience na pwede natin ma-experience. Knowing na there's a lot of realities na pwedeng mangyari. Girl, 8 billion na tao tayo te sa planet na to. 8 planets, nasa solar system tayo, nasa Milky Way tayo te, and another galaxy pa te, like Andromeda, ang dami pang mga kaganapan dyan te, and ang liit-liit lang natin te as part of this multiverse. This may sound silly te, but you know, always look forward for something te. Maybe hindi ka pa nakakapag-sex. Sorry for the word te, but I just want you to laugh kasi life is more than just that person. Life is more than just bad thing that happened to you. It doesn't mean na nangyari yan sa'yo is yun na talaga yung magiging reality mo. Maybe that situation happened because it's time for you to prioritize yourself. It's time for you to discover yourself. It's time for you to spend your time hindi na sa ibang tao. Effort, love, attention, and care te na parang feel mo kaya mong ibigay sa ibang tao te is ibigay mo muna sa sarili mo. Isn't it beautiful te to think na you just don't chase and attract. You fall in love with yourself first and let people fall in love with you by just you loving yourself. I hope that you get it. Medyo straight English ako dun te ha. But yeah, huwag mong sayangin yung skincare mo te. Huwag mong sayangin yung mga pinangbabayad mo sa bills mo te. Like ang ganda-ganda mo te. Glowing ka pa. Study ka te. May work ka. You know what I mean te? Like, you deserve more. If hindi kayang i-value ng ibang tao yung value mo te, then value yourself. Or maybe, once you value yourself, makikita ng ibang tao yung value mo kasi ikaw mismo, makikita mo yung sarili mong value. Like, kita mo sa sarili mo na I don't settle for less because I know who I am. Like, I am that bitch. You know what I mean? So, be that bitch. Act as if you are that bitch. I know this video is kind of my ADHD type of YouTube video kasi as what I've said earlier, wala ko talagang script. Wala talaga. Like, I don't know kung paano ito mag-workout. But yate, moving on starts with setting an intention that you really want to move on. Once you realize that you don't deserve to be stuck with those bad situations te, bad trauma, bad treatment of other people te, once you realize that you want to get out of that situation, that's the time na makaka-move on ka na talaga by taking the first step and realizing that you deserve better. Na marami kang option. Hindi lang sila yung tao sa mundong to, na marami pang pwedeng experiences ka na pwedeng ma-experience. Something beautiful, something exciting. If wala kang alam na pwedeng i-look forward, pwede mong i-look forward din na baka ma-meet mo ako in person and mag-give ako sa'yo ng advice or baka magiging best friends tayo. Don't waste your life. Really, don't waste your life. You know what? Meron din ako mga pinagdadaanan pero no, you know, I know deep inside na I deserve more. So I don't let those bad energies te consume me as a whole. No, te, like, no, I deserve more. So I'm just gonna work my ass off and let those people do their thing. And I'm just gonna focus on my circle. Life is supposed to be this childlike feel of life te. You know what I mean? Like parang romanticizing life, going to Paris, going to New York, going to concert. Like, there is more to life pa te na gusto kong ma-experience. And yun din yung gusto kong energy na iparating sa'yo. This phase of yours is just temporary te. Matatapos din yan. Everything is seasonal talaga te. Like, you know what I mean? Bukas tatai ka din te. Bukas mag-change ka rin ng outfit. Gagraduate ka rin. You know, lilipas din yan. Yung mga problema mo before te, hindi mo na naaalala, diba? Baka maybe te, meron ka pa mga utang na hindi mo nabayaran. Hindi mo yan naaalala te. Kaklase ko merong utang sa akin pero hindi na nagbayad. But anyways te, get alive. Like, literally, get alive. Mag-glow up ka te. Madami kang pwedeng spend sa time mo te. It's not the end of the world just because that person didn't choose you. Just because, you know, they rejected you. Just because ginago ka nila te. It's not the end of the world. Nasa sayo pa rin ang choice. Nasa sayo pa rin kung ano yung pipiliin mo. Magpakaganyan-ganyan ka na lang or, you know, gagawa ka ng plot para sa sarili mo. And in my case then, I'm writing my own story and I'm making my own plot. Because I know that deep inside, I deserve a good life. And yeah, you deserve a good life. I-realize mo yan, te. Do this moving on phase of yours, te, for your inner child. Sa sarili mo, te. Tingnan mo yung sarili mo. Try mo, te, murahin yung sarili mo. Try mo sabihin na ang gago mo, ang pangit mo, ang tanga-tanga mo. Bakit ka nagtiwala? Bakit mo yung ginawa? Try mo, te, murahin yung sarili mo. Diba? At first time, feel cringe ka talaga. But at the same time, parang kinakawawa mo yung sarili mo, te. Diba? Parang hindi mo kaya yung gawin. So treat yourself as if kung paano ka mag-give ng advice sa mga kaibigan mo. Paano mo i-give yung best advice sa isang tao na meron ding same situation or problem na meron ka as of the moment. Do that thing to yourself, te. Kasi walang gagawa niyan, te, sa'yo. No one will do it better than you. I know, te, napapagod na rin ako mag-advise sa'yo, te. So, utang na loob, te. Like, start setting an intention that this time, around September naman. September 23 na tayo while I'm filming this. I don't know if when ko to ma-upload. Alam ko te, medyo tinatabad na rin ako na mag-edit ng long form videos dyan te. Pero dahil kinukulit nyo ako, mag-upload ako sa YT. But yeah, let me know te and update me if meron kang natutunan dito te. Kasi this is so unorganized video te. And ADHD talaga yung atake ng video na to. I don't know how this, paano ko to i-edit? How will this video turn out? Kasi yeah, this is very unstructured video. This is very ace. Update me te if meron kang progress. Let me know te because grabe te, like magiging happy talaga ako te if finally I will have like finally nagising na rin yung best friend ko na hindi na siya tanga, na-realize niya rin yung worth niya. You know what I mean te? This is so silly and parang ang funny lang din but yeah te. Sobrang na-feel ko yung sense of comfort and sense of relatability here sa social media. I feel like you are, you know, my online best friend talaga te. Parang, you know, yeah, this is so good, this is so fun. But yeah te, rooting for you and update me te kung ano yung ganap mo and sana hopefully simulan mo na yan, te. And I'm rooting for you. And that's all. And keep going. Yeah, see you sa next video. See you next century, te. Bago ako makapag-upload ulit ng new video. But yeah, te. That's all. Love you guys.